Just like your smartphone or computer, your ERP system, in this case SAP Business One, needs regular updates to stay efficient and secure. By regularly upgrading your SAP Business One, you ensure it remains a valuable asset that supports your business goals, protects your investments, and drives continuous improvement. Technology is advancing at an unprecedented pace. I created the image on the right using artificial intelligence to illustrate the super rapid innovation pace we are experiencing. I delivered the prompt, and the bot brought me back this image. I could not have dreamt about creating an image in this way only 2 years ago. This transformation is testament to how quickly AI and other technologies are reshaping our world, making the impossible possible in a matter of months. In this context, here are the top 8 reasons why you should upgrade regularly your SAP Business One. Upgrading your SAP Business One software ensures you continue to get the most out of your initial investment. New features and enhancements like the ones we're seeing in this customer day will help you improve efficiency, reduce costs, and provide better insights, maximizing your return on investment. You also want to stay compliant. Up-to-date ERP software helps ensure your business remains compliant with the latest laws and regulations, avoiding potential fines and legal issues. Cybersecurity threats are also constantly evolving at the same pace as technology is. Regular upgrades provide the latest security patches and features, protecting your sensitive business data from breaches and cyber attacks. New versions of SAP Business One often include performance improvements that can speed up your processes, reduce downtime, and enhance overall system reliability. When you upgrade, you get access to new functionalities that can streamline operations, improve user experience, and provide better tools for decision making. This keeps your business competitive and agile, which is always the goal. Software vendors typically provide full support only for the latest versions. We will review what mainstream maintenance means in a little bit for SAP. Modern ERP systems like SAP Business One are designed to integrate seamlessly with other technologies and platforms. Regular upgrades ensure compatibility with new tools and systems, fostering innovation and growth. Last but not least, you absolutely want to future-proof your business. Technology evolves rapidly, like we've mentioned before. Keeping your SAP Business One up to date ensures your business is ready to leverage new technologies and trends, maintaining a competitive edge in the market. SAP Business One typically releases major versions every few years. For example, SAP Business One 10 was released in April 2020. In addition to major releases, SAP provides continuous innovation through feature packages on a regular basis, which include new features, corrections, and legal changes. This pattern of regular updates has been consistent over the years. Here are the feature packages released for SAP Business One in 2023 and 2024. Mainstream maintenance is a concept that we all need to understand. In the context of SAP, mainstream maintenance refers to the period during which SAP provides full support for a specific release family of the software. SAP typically provides at least 5 years of mainstream maintenance for each release family. After this period, no further corrections or new functionality will be provided for that release, and users are encouraged to upgrade to the latest version to continue receiving full support. As you know, SAP does not provide support directly to end users, such as yourselves. They rely on their partner channel. So you will always come to us first for support. If we need to escalate a bug discovery issue to SAP and you are not on your version that is on mainstream maintenance, the response we will get from SAP will be to upgrade first. Taking all this into consideration, how often should companies upgrade their SAP Business One system? In the past, we recommended upgrading your systems every 3 to 4 years. Some of our customers have even elongated this period longer. because the system was working for them and they weren't forced to upgrade sooner. However, due to the rapid pace of technological innovation, we now advise upgrading every 1 to 2 years. There are instances where you might need to upgrade sooner than that. If the software or hardware you use undergoes significant updates, you may need to upgrade your SAP Business One to maintain compatibility and seamless integration. Legal or regulatory requirements can change, necessitating an upgrade to ensure compliance and avoid potential fines or legal issues. How long does it take to upgrade your SAP Business One software? Several software and hardware compatibility factors can influence your SAP Business One upgrade policy as well. Here are some key examples. Operating system of your server or client, database systems, hardware upgrades, third-party add-ons, security protocols, compliance requirements. All these will affect your SAP Business One upgrade policy. Once you decide to upgrade your system, what is exactly involved in an upgrade and how long does it take? An upgrade involves several steps: planning, testing, backing up data, and finally, the actual upgrade process. In the planning phase, we evaluate together all factors that will impact the upgrade, such as compatibility with existing systems, new features, and regulatory requirements. We define the target version for the upgrade and create a plan with a clear step to achieve a successful upgrade. The next step is to set up a testing environment where we will create a replica of your current system, where users can try out the new version. It is not possible to install and run two different versions of SAP Business One on the same server for testing purposes. A different server or machine is needed to set up a separate testing environment. This allows you to test the new version thoroughly without affecting your current production environment. The user acceptance testing phase ensures a smooth transition with users validating that all processes run correctly before performing the actual upgrade. Once users give the green light to the new version, we schedule the actual upgrade. For the actual upgrade of SAP Business One, it's crucial that all users are offline. This ensures that no data is being modified during the upgrade, which helps prevent any potential issues or data corruption. Many factors influence the duration of an upgrade. Among others, deployment type, number of databases, add-ons and integrations, system complexity, and resource availability. By planning the upgrade carefully and ensuring all users test the new version thoroughly, we can minimize downtime and ensure a smooth transition to the new version. This chart shows an approximation of the times we've observed in real upgrades with our customers across different deployment options. In a best ideal case scenario, with a consensus cloud shared environment deployment and minimal customizations, as well as high user availability for intensive testing, we are able to complete an upgrade in as little as 1 week. However, if a new physical server needs to be purchased and set up, for instance, the upgrade could take 4 weeks or more. When considering an upgrade and the costs involved, you need to consider your maintenance renewal, which gives you access to upgrades, the upgrade project services, the IT services provider services if they need to get involved, as well as new hardware if it is required to support the upgraded system or the testing phase. As we've seen, a cloud deployment, multi-tenant cloud deployment that like Consensus Cloud is typically the cheapest and fastest upgrade scenario. If you don't know which version of SAP Business One you're running today, you can simply go to your help menu about SAP Business One, and this will give you the information. If you're interested on an upgrade, contact us by sending an email to support@consensusintl.com. I want to leave you with a final tip if you are in this moment running an upgrade, testing a new version, or you recently upgraded. If you use your menu Help, you choose Welcome Screen, and you then click on What's New, you will get all the information of the new functionality you can now enjoy thanks to having upgraded your SAP Business One. Thank you very much, and we are here to support you through your upgrade process. Please contact us whenever you're ready.
Hello, welcome to the session on deployment options for SAP Business One. My name is Richard Calvo, and I'll be guiding you through this one. At a high level, we have three options: on-premise, private cloud, or a public managed cloud. Let's jump right in. Let's talk about the on-premise deployment. On-premise is the best fit for companies that have dedicated internal staff with expertise in infrastructure and operating systems, including Linux and Windows. The benefits of this option are that you retain complete control over customization, data, and security policies. However, there are some challenges with this approach. You do have higher costs in the form of hardware and surrounding infrastructure. You depend on internal IT having the competency level needed to support the deployment. And you also have increased timelines for implementations and costs when it comes to upgrades, as you need to duplicate the entire deployment to provide adequate user acceptance tests. The private cloud deployment is a step up from an on-premise and can form the bridge during the transition of operations to the cloud. This option is the best fit for organizations needing a high level of control over their infrastructure, customizations, and data, but prefer to rent instead of purchase and host in-house. Since all of the resources in this cloud are dedicated to one company, it remains private and in the hands of the internal or external IT personnel entrusted with its maintenance. The benefits include the same flexibility for customizations, reduced hardware and utility bill costs, and the ability to resize the offering as user load changes. The challenge with this option is that you still depend on contracted IT to operate and maintain the deployment, as well as higher ongoing costs due to renting. The initial setup for this option can also be time-consuming. The managed cloud deployment goes all in on renting and third-party services. This option is the best fit for companies that don't want to deal with any IT responsibilities and are okay with a standard solution. The benefits include ready-to-use pre-installed environments, completely managed maintenance, security policies, and version upgrades, as well as disaster recovery in case of failures. All the previously mentioned topics are the responsibility of the managed cloud provider, and they enforce service-level agreements to ensure these topics are covered. As before, challenges with this option include higher lifetime costs due to renting, but additionally, this environment restricts the add-ons and customizations possible to ensure that all users in the managed cloud receive a stable and consistent experience. Since the version upgrades are managed by the provider, you as a company have no option but to stay current with all SAP licensing and move to the latest versions when everybody else in the environment does. Expanding on the managed cloud option, here's some more information regarding its benefits. Access to the environment is possible worldwide, but it's typically geographically controlled to those locations the clients connect from. All management is centralized, making it easier to request changes to user provisioning or decommissioning. The connections are audited to keep track of who logged in when. The software is routinely updated to combat the latest threats and provide the latest features. Your data is secured, segmented, backed up, and exportable should you need to reconsider the deployment option. Now that you know the differences between the deployment options, I'd like to introduce our managed cloud offering, known as Consensus Cloud. The benefits of our cloud offering are as follows. It's designed specifically for SAP B1. It's pre-configured to optimize performance for SAP B1 workloads. It significantly reduces implementation time by providing ready-to-use, latest versions of SAP B1. It comes with high uptime guarantees and dedicated support resources that only do SAP B1. It's easy to adjust sizing depending on your business's demands. I hope this brief overview of deployment options for SAP Business One was useful. Should you need any additional information, don't hesitate to contact us using the information on screen. Thanks, and have a great rest of your day.